Everybody, this is Kathy from Katzelcreate and welcome back to our channel. So I'm trying to be a little quiet, but it's a little impossible. My kids are doing distance learning. I decided to go ahead and videotape this really quick. I had to undo the bow, so I am doing this one-handed. So me and Tree, back a few months ago, before all this COVID started, we were doing a random act of kindness, and we were sending each other stuff that we wanted to see what each other created with, or basically a kit. So we kind of halted at the Easter theme. So once COVID, or basically as time passed, we kept on discussing we need to send this out. We've had this created for a while. So we had decided we were gonna go ahead and send it out in September. My idea was September, spring, or something like that. Anyways, that didn't work out. So you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and send it to somebody, and hopefully they like what I created. This is for somebody that really was so helpful. She helped me last year with something, and I haven't had a chance to thank her. I've been wanting to thank her so much, and life just continued getting in my way. That's what all I could say. Or I just procrastinated. Most of it was procrastination. So these are the stuff that Tree sent me so I could create with. The only thing I added on was this cardstock, this 110 cardstock, and a few other cardstocks in here, but mostly everything was sent from Tree. So this one I made a blank because I actually ran out of cardstock. I was like, oh my goodness. So this is a little blank. So I will probably put a pocket or something in here so it doesn't look too bare. There's some bling right there. I made these cute little bows. Actually, the person can actually use this as a mini album, and they can actually put their own pictures there. Excuse me, you guys. So I made these little bows right here. I went ahead and made these flowers, and in the backing, all she has to do is pull it out. It is held by washi tape, so it will not tear apart. And then I went ahead and put some cut aparts. So like this, if they want to do their own way, so that is why I put this cut aparts. I didn't want to do it all on my way because maybe that person wants to do it their own way. So there you go. So I hope the person I sent this out to likes it and is able to enjoy it in some way. And thank you so much for all your help and assistance. I really appreciate it. I just want to give you a little surprise because I know you might be watching this video. So I want to give you a little surprise. So when you receive it, yay. And I hope you're not too upset at me because I haven't sent you something prior to this. I mean, I know I don't have to, and what you did was really so out of your kindness of your own heart. But I really, sometimes I feel like, oh my goodness, like sometimes you guys are so unbelievable, and I just really appreciate all your guys' help and assistance, and you guys taking the time to watch my videos. So thank you again, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.